So welcome back in my channel The Public Zone. Today I am going to study about a very interesting or very fine topic microorganism. तो आज हम लोग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को पढ़ेंगे और समझेंगे। इस चैप्टर में समझेंगे कि ये साइंस के फील्ड में हमारे लाइफ के फील्ड में कौन कौन सी इंपॉर्टेंस को रखता है। तो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म का मतलब क्या होता है? सूक्ष्म जीव, इतना छोटा जीव जिसको हम अपने ओपन आई से नेक्ड आई से नहीं देख सकते हैं। इस चैप्टर में बेसिकली क्या पढ़ेंगे? टाइप्स ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म पढ़ेंगे। उसके टाइप जो है 5 अलग-अलग यहां पे समझ सकते हैं कि बैक्टीरिया होता है, फंगी होता है, वायरस होता है, अलगीज होता है और हर एक माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म का इसका भी एक सब टाइप होता है, यानी कि ग्रुप टाइप होता है। तो माइक्रोस्कोप एक यंत्र बनाया गया साइंटिफिक तरीके से साइंटिस्ट के द्वारा और फिर उसका आज हम लोग यूज करते हैं, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को देखते हैं। स्टार्टिंग फेज में हम देखते हैं, समझते हैं तो लगता है ऐसा ना कि भाई माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म हमारे लाइफ में बन करती है।
Very warm and pleasant morning to you all. This is me, Falak Sophia of Standard 8B from Cambridge Public School, presented here to give a short explanation of microorganisms. So let's begin. Microorganisms that are visible only through a microscope are called microorganisms. They can't be seen with our naked eyes. They are useful in many purposes such as medicinal.
I just half standard 8B. Today I am here to explain the types of microorganisms. Bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi and algae. Bacteria are the smallest and oldest microorganisms in our planet. Bacteria are the unicellular organisms. Different bacteria have a different shape like Koki, Spirilla and Bacilla. Protozoa are a group of animal like it is a unicellular organism like amoeba, paramecium. Fungi are a group of single cell unicellular. It may be microscopic or macroscopic. Algae are a group of single cell plant that contain chlorophyll. Virus are the teeny organisms which cannot see in our naked eyes. There is an instrument from which you can see the virus. The instrument name is electron microscope. That's of class 8B. Today I am here to explain you the use of microorganisms and microorganisms benefits as various types, including commercial use, environmental use, medicinal use. Commercial use of microorganisms is for making curd and cheese, making breads, making toothpaste, making vinegar, coffee and tobacco, making alcoholic beverages. And environmental of microorganisms is used for bioremediation, biofuels, wastewater treatment, composting, animal fixation, and medicinal use of microorganisms is used for making antibiotic, making food supplement, making vaccine, enzyme production, and insulin production. That's all.
And I will share the tips how to prevent food. So there are various processes to control microorganisms. Let us understand what are the methods from which we can preserve food. So firstly we will understand what is food preservation. So food preservation means to keep food safer and fresh to eat for a longer time. Let us understand what are the methods from which we can preserve food. So first is boiling. So boiling is a process in which this is me, Amna Sajida, and today I am here to tell you about curious microbes. Well, there are more interesting microbes that are present in this world without being the shape of spherical or in basket shape, etc. Well, microbiologist Richard Blakemore has found a microbe that has the magnetic effects in it and it is attracted to the Earth's magnetic field. Well, there are more shapes for microbes such as square shapes along its corner. I think that this video will helpful to you.